Today I shall start exercise 5.1 arithmetic progression. First question. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression, that is AP, and why? First question. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So, as per question, taxi fare for first kilometer, that is after 1 kilometer, equal to rupees 15, which is denoted as A1. A1 means first term. And then taxi fare for 2 kilometer, after 2 kilometer, rupees 15 plus rupees 8, that is rupees 23 A2. Similarly, taxi fare for 3 kilometer equal to rupees 23 plus rupees 8, that is rupees 31. It is A3. Minimum 3 terms you try to obtain, and again write down so on. So A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term, equal to 23 minus 15, 8. And A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23, 8. Minimum these two terms, difference of the two terms you have to obtain. And so the both of the difference is same. So A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. That is D. D for common difference. So yes, it is an AP, because in this question a fixed term is adding to each preceding term, which is common difference D, whose value is here 8. Okay, so it is in AP. And second question, the amount of an present in a cylinder, amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder. Listen, amount of air in cylinder equal to X unit, that is A1, and amount of air in cylinder after one time equal to X minus X by 4, because 1/4 of the air removes by one vacuum pump. So X minus X by 4 equal to 3X by 4 unit, which is A2. And amount of air in cylinder after 2 times of removal. This is the 1 time of removal, this is 2 time of removal, equal to 3X minus 4, which was after 1 removal, 3X minus 4 minus 1/4 of this. So 1/4 into 3X by 4. So 3X minus 4 minus 3X by 16, which is 9X by 16 unit. This is A3, and so on. So A2 minus A1 equal to 3X minus 4 minus X, which after calculation you will get minus X by 4 unit. And A3 minus A2 equal to 9X by 16 minus 3X by 4, which I have got in the previous. So after calculation you will get minus 3X by 16, okay, the unit. So A2 minus A1 not equal to A3, A3 minus A2 not equal to A2 minus A1. So no, it is not an AP, okay, because A3 minus A2 not equal to A2 minus A1. So no, it is not an AP, because a fixed term is not adding to the preceding term, because 1/4 of air removes after one time. So this is not an AP. Okay. Next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by the rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So cost of digging the well after 1 meter of digging equal to rupees 150, equal to 1 A1, means 1 meter digging cost equal to rupees 150, and then 2 meter digging cost So cost of digging the well after 2 meter of digging equal to rupees 150 plus 50, that is rupees 200, and which is A2. And cost of digging the well after 3 meter of digging, 3 meter digging cost 200 plus 50, that is 250, which is A3, and so on. So A2 minus A1 equal to 200 minus 150, rupees 50, and A3 minus A2, 250 minus 200 equal to rupees 50. Since A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to 50, which is D. So yes, it is an AP. Okay. Now next question. The amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So listen, amount of money after 1 year equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, that is A1. Means which formula is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Here P equal to 10,000, R equal to 8, and n equal to 1. Okay, it is A1. And amount of money after 2 years. This is the problem of compound interest. 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into whole to the power 2, that is A2. Means here this is P, this is R, and 2 is the n. And amount of money after 3 years, 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 3, that is A3, and so on. Now A2 minus A1 equal to, I have written here value of A2 and this is the value of A1. I have taken common 10,000 and 1 plus 8 by 100 I taken common. So here 1 plus 8 by 100 minus 1. So after calculation plus 1 minus 1 cancel and it remains 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 8 by 100. And again A3 minus A2. So I have written the values A3 minus A2 equal to, directly I have written here common will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 2 and in bracket 8 by 100. Okay. So A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So no, it is not an AP. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Write first 4 terms of an AP when first term A and common difference D are given. So question is A equal to 10 and D equal to 10. A means A1. A means first term. A1, A2, A3, A4 you have to take out. So A1 equal to 10 and formula of A2 equal to A1 plus D. D is the common difference. A3 equal to A1 plus 2D and A4 equal to A1 plus 3D. So now put the values and get the answer. Okay. Now second question. A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0. So A1 equal to minus 2 and A2, A3, A4 you write the formula values. A1 plus D, A3 equal to A1 plus 2D because and A1 plus 3D. A3 means A1 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2. A4 means A1 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3D. Now you put the values. Here D equal to 0. So all the terms become same. Okay. Now next question. A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3. So A1 equal to 4 and A2 equal to A3, A4. At first you write down the formula. A2 means A1 plus D, A3 means A1 plus 2D, 3 minus 1, 2. And A4, A1 plus 4 minus 1, 3D. So now put the values and get the answer 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Okay. Now next question. A1 equal to minus 1, D equal to half. So at first all the maths are of same type but I have done all. A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is given. A2, A1 plus D. Minus 1 plus half. We will get minus half. Again a1 plus 2d minus 1 plus 2 into half, 2 cancel. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel and 0. A4 equal to a1 plus 3d minus 1 plus 3 by 2, that is half. Okay. Now question number 3. Find for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Very easy. This is an AP given and first term equal to this, a1 equal to means first term 3, and D, formula of D equal to a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, anything you can write, but easy that a2 minus a1. a2 equal to 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. And next question, minus 5 minus 1 3 7 and dot dot, a1 equal to minus 5, D equal to a2 minus a1, that is minus 1 minus minus 5. If there are digits are in minus, so always keep in bracket. So minus 1 minus minus plus 5 and we will get 4. And next 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and go on. Third question. So a1 equal to 1 by 3 and D equal to a2 minus a1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. After calculation 5 minus 1, 4, 4 by 3. And next question 0.7, number 4, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 dot dot. A1 equal to 0.6 and D equal to a2 minus a1, 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Okay.